Who are the types of clients that we work with most often? Hey, how's it going? It's Ryan with Smith & Sons Insurance Agency, where we are transforming the way individuals, families, and small business owners secure financial stability. Today's video, I want to briefly talk about the individuals, families, small businesses, the groups of people and individuals that we work with, who is a good fit for our agency. Over the years, we've had all sorts of individuals, we've had all sorts of situations come through our doors looking for insurance solutions, and we've helped as many as we can. There are those that were looking for a policy after a loss had just occurred. There were those that were looking for insurance because they're buying a new home. We've had individuals that were looking for insurance because they've been in a rough time. They've had some driving incidents. They haven't had insurance, whatever the case may be. We've helped all types of situations, people with all different sorts of backgrounds over the years. Today, what we focus on is new home buyers and young families. Those are the groups or the types of people that fit the best with the insurance companies that we represent. So whether or not you have children, if you're young and married, that fits into this specific company. They love that type of client where you've got one, maybe two autos, a new, maybe renovated home, and you're early in your career and you're working towards possibly a better home in 5 to 10 years, new cars, adding children to your family, situation like that. That's a very common type of prospect or client for our agency, and we help those people all the time. On the commercial lines side or business insurance, we've been known here in Lawton to help anyone with any sort of insurance need. And while we have done our best to do that, there are specific situations where maybe we're not the best fit. Could be that your business is just trying to get insurance so that you can check a box. And if you don't happen to pay the premium at renewal, that's all right with you. You'll get it again when you need the insurance. It's not really a great fit for our agency. We try and avoid those situations. However, with individuals who are starting new businesses, we have people here in the office that specialize in finding insurance for new ventures. We've got companies that specialize in that type of operation or policy. But our bread and butter, as it were, is the residential service contractors. So your heating and air contractor, maybe a plumber or electrician, possibly the individual who put your fence up. Could be someone who is coming to mow the lawn every week, or even putting up Christmas lights, things like that. So contractors who are coming to a residence to perform service for the homeowner. Those are the ideal clients for our companies, the companies we represent, and it's what we're very familiar with here in the agency. So if you know someone that fits in with that type of those characteristics or those situations, whether it's an individual, a young family, or a small business owner, we'd love to talk with them. Be happy to connect with them and see if we could help them out with their insurance needs. And of course, let us know that you've done so. And we always want to say thank you for that. Thanks for watching.